Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this body wave hair from Eayon. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with an instruction of how to take care of the hair, and it also comes with an elastic band in case you want one. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. I really like the curl pattern of the hair straight from the box. It also comes with an elastic strap from inside the wig. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, and that's what the hairline looks like. It's so natural and I really like it. So I went ahead and showed you guys how I installed the hair on my head before styling the hair, and what I did was just apply the got to be glued gel on my cap, and I blow dried it to make sure that the cap was lying down flat on my head. Then I cut off the excess cap on my head and I placed the wig on my head just to show you guys what the wig looks like on my head. Bear in mind that I've washed the hair and I've also blow dried it, after showing you guys what it looks like straight from the box, because a lot of you guys wanted to see how to curl your hair. But the most important thing that I really like about this is the fact that despite the fact that I washed the hair and I let it air dry, the curl pattern was still the same like it was straight from the box, which is quite amazing for those of you that are not interested in curling your hair. In case you just want to go out and you're tired, you don't have the time for that, then I would definitely recommend you air dry the hair. You will still get the same curl pattern. But because of the purpose of this video, I actually wanted to show you guys how to curl your hair, like beginner friendly, without any curls at all on the hair. So I decided to blow dry the curls out of the hair. I blow dry all the curls out of the hair and make the hair like more like loose wave stroke straight, which is really quite nice to show you guys as a beginner on how to curl your hair. So I placed the wig on the areas where I applied the bold hold glue, and I did the same thing for the side as well, which is what you see me do right now. I really like this hair. It's really full and I love the quality of the hair as well. So I showed you guys how I installed it in general. I didn't actually come with I didn't actually bring out any baby hair because I was not interested in that for that day. So I combed out the hair, and you can pat the hair anyhow or anywhere you like within the 13x4 lace, so depending on the look you're going for. But I decided to go for a side part, which is what you see me do right now. Look at what the hair looks like, guys. Look at that. I even like the hair straights like that. But anyway, I applied the Tresemme Heat Styling Oil, just a tiny bit of that because I really like that. It's very lightweight, so it won't weigh your hair down at all. And I combed the hair and showed you guys the first curl that I would go for. In case you're the type that you're just in a rush, you can just do this first curl by wrapping the hair around your wand and dropping the curls just like that in case you're in a hurry. But I'll show you guys the difference between just dropping the curls and holding the curls with a clip. So keep watching. So the most important things you need to have before coiling your hair is obviously your wand, and you need heat protection spray and a oil, not the heavy one, a bit of shine to your hair. So what I'm going to do now is, I did one already, but I'll show you guys the main tea about it. So you're just going to comb the hair through. This hair is actually tangle free, so I don't have any problem with that. So I'm just going to spray the got to be blasting spray right here. I'm going to spray that on the hair lightly. So next I'm going to hold the hair just like so, and this is the wand. You put it down, you make sure it's facing downward, and you see, like so. Then coil it round the hair. Coil your hair around the wand and you hold it for like a few seconds depending on how long you want the coil to last for. But if you like, you can use the what's it called, the clip to hold the hair you know, in place. That would make the hair last, that would make the curl last longer. So I'm just going to show you guys in a bit. But if you don't really care about how long the curls last, then you might just, you know, drop the hair just like so. But if you want the curl to last like for a while, then when you feel the, you know, wand is hot enough on the hair, then you hold, then you bring out the hair, take your, you know, and hold the hair in place like so. So that would keep the curl in place. Like, it's gonna give you that volume compared to like just dropping the curls. It's gonna give you more volume to the hair. I actually quite like this hair. The hair is really soft. Actually, I intentionally brush out the curls and blow dry the hair so that the hair would look straight, just to, you know, demonstrate this process for you guys on how to curl your hair. But what I noticed is the fact that the hair was really coily even after washing it, guys. I'm just gonna go into details with that with you guys soon, but let's just keep on with this. So you spray it, then you comb it again. The hair is tangle free, so there is no need to worry about tangle. So remember, your wand has to go down, facing down like so, and use it and curl your hair around the wand, depending on the curls you're going for. If you're going for a simple curl, then you just roll the hair around the wand, but otherwise you might just roll the hair first before rolling it on your wand. But it's self-explanatory really, so that's what I'm going to do throughout the video. And yeah, really, so you wait for the hair to, you know, get hot a bit, like few seconds, let's say 10 to 15 seconds. Then you drop the hair, but as opposed to dropping the hair directly, you just use your clip, put it in the hole, you know, where you took out, where you where the wand was before. You put it in the hole, you know, that hole where the wand was before, and you drop it. If you use the clip, you have more curls and more volume, but without the clip, I'm just going to show you guys the difference. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair and this big curl right here. So I actually showed you guys what the hair looks like straight from the packaging. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also the hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap at the back as well. I'm actually wearing the size medium cap, which is a perfect fit for me, you know, from side to side, which I quite like, and there was no need for me to cut off excess lace. Another thing that I really like about this hair, that I noticed about this hair, is the fact that when I unbox the hair for you guys, I decided to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner. I actually wanted to see how the curls hold after washing the hair, and to my surprise, the curls were still the same. In fact, the curl pattern was exactly the same as it was even before washing the hair at all. So I thought, well, since most of you guys actually asked me how to curl your hair, after washing it or after using it for a while, so what would the hair look like, if you want to curl the hair by yourself and the curls from the hair is gone and all that. I thought, why would I need to curl this hair since it's still this curly? So let me blow dry the hair and see what I get. I blow dried the hair, and the curls were really loose and more like straight, so I decided to curl the hair for you guys to see that you can curl this hair anyhow you like. You can curl it with wand, you can curl it with straightener, you can curl it with anything you like, but I decided to show you guys with the wand. Guys, I am really impressed, and look at that bounciness to the curls, guys. I really can't just comprehend how much I really like this hair. The hair is really full. In my opinion, I think this is more or less like a 150 to 180 density, because the hair is really full compared to most of the hair that I've had in the past. This hair is very full. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that after washing the hair, I blow dried it just to see what the length is going to look like at the bottom of the hair. I was quite surprised that it was like more or less equal. There was no split ends whatsoever. I really like the hair, and I like the fact that the curls are really popping. The quality of the hair is really amazing, guys. It is amazing. I love the hair so much. Even after washing the hair and letting it air dry, the curl pattern came back right the same way it was straight from the box. So I was quite impressed with that. I couldn't show you guys because before I set up the camera and everything, there was no time for that. I also like the fact that you can manipulate the hair anyhow you like. Apart from the fact that it's soft, silky to touch and all, the hair does not shed whatsoever. While I was washing the hair, I was expecting to see one strand here or there, but there was no such thing at all. It's actually 13 by 4, so you have like 4 inches of parting right there in case you want to part the hair anywhere you like. So you can part the hair anyhow you like or anywhere you like within the 13 by 6, within the 13 by 4 closure, so depending on what you're going for. But I just decided to show it to you guys this way because some of you guys have long hair naturally, so you just want to know how to curl your hair without having to put your head on the what's it called again, mannequin head. So that's why I decided to show you guys how I curl the hair on my head. This hair is amazing, guys. Look at that, look at that. Like me, that you like voluminous hair and curls, then this hair is definitely for you. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I've left the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.